This great band has thrilled us all season long with spectacular halftime shows, and today, in the definite comfort of the Stroh Center, we will bring you all the thrilling musical moments back one more time for your enjoyment. My name is Guy Batterson, and I will be your host for today's event. Before we bring you the excitement of our halftime music, we begin with a piece which has come to define the symphonic sound of the Falcon Marching Band. In 2003, two intrepid graduate students set out to create a work composed from the ground up for the Falcon Marching Band. Their unique work and the music, and it was unique in the fact that the music and the drill were written at the same time and meant to only exist together. This work came to be known as Frontiers. The following year, Dr. Chorale Hayward, Emeritus Director of the Falcon Marching Band, approached the composer about arranging themes from the show into a warm-up chorale. That fall, the FMB premiered the newly created work, and it has become the binding tie of the FMB to this day. Written and arranged by BGSU alumnus Ryan Nowlin, here is our chorale based on themes from Frontiers.